All right, this is the generation media analysis, and the politician and policy that I chose is Andrew Yang's freedom dividend. Because he's aware of how technology and automation are going to replace many jobs in the future, Yang wants to give every adult in America $1,000 a month. He plans on making large tech companies pay for it through taxes, which they currently are not paying. To convince traditionalists, this generation, I would focus on the fact that this generation experienced the Great Depression. I would remind them on how the government stepped in to help people at that time. Their biggest hero was Franklin D. Roosevelt, who started Social Security. This is not much different in terms of the government paying people. It's a similar solution to a different problem. They value duty before pleasure. So I would also argue that corporations like Amazon make billions, if not trillions of dollars. They have a duty to their country and the people in it before reaping pleasures of so much profit. Baby boomers. Baby boomers are highly cooperative, so I would try to appeal to their cooperative nature by stressing that these corporations are responsible for cooperating with society, not just finding ways to drain it for money. Generation X. This generation wants more of a work-life balance. The freedom dividend can help provide that. The extra $1,000 a month will allow them to work a little less and live a little more. Because this generation has learned to survive in a world where everything was not all right, where the American dream looked like a running joke, I would argue that the freedom dividend was the key to restoring the American dream. Generation Y, millennials. Many in Generation Y are burdened with student debt. The freedom dividend can help alleviate that, so I would focus on that. Also, millennials are tech savvy, so they may understand the future implications of automation. Generation Z. This generation is more entrepreneurial. I would convince them that the freedom dividend would provide more people with the freedom to start their own businesses. This policy would force large corporations to support small business owners. A majority of them believe that the government should do more to solve their problems. This policy does just that, so I would appeal to that sentiment. This generation is less optimistic about the U.S. economy, so I would emphasize the threat of automation to the economy and stress how the dividend would boost the economy. Convincing different generations definitely requires different approaches, but I think I could possibly reach them all with the freedom dividend.